Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Shakawat, can you hear me? I think your microphone is muted, so you can. Hello, Jubair. Uh, how are you?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, Shakawat, you were say. Well, you can. Everyone can hide their video. We don't need to share videos. My video will be only shared, and the audio. You can also mute your microphone in the whole session. In any time when you are talking, just unmute then. Okay.
Okay.
uh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. First of all, thank you everyone, thank you for joining. I am Shemanto. I will let you know about myself in our upcoming sessions, but don't worry. Thank you for joining. And it's actually a pleasure that I actually thought no one will show up, and I had zero expectation. And if anyone not show up, still I'm gonna talk with for 1 hour in my about my life and everything, and I publish it on YouTube. So you two have joined on time, so thank you very much for joining. Okay, so I will start the session, but right now I will not wait for others to join. Let me introduce myself. I am Shemanto, graduated from Kuwait for 1.5 year ago, and then I joined as a software engineer in Spartech agency. I worked there for 1.5 year, and right now I am actually on career break. I'm in my hometown, and I'm helping my father in my family business. And in that meantime, I am starting this speak better with Shimanto, this speaking session. And let me give you the role. You can see my screen share, right? In the screen share, I am sharing a slide on Canva slide, and this is the fundamental rule of the whole session. Forget grammar. Okay, you don't have to talk about think about grammatical rule. You are don't think about you are mistake, you are using the correct word or not. Just speak and speak up, and express your thought in English for 1 hour, and say anything you like. If you like to use abusive word like and everything, use it, but it should be an English. Don't worry, I will cut it, but you will say, and whatever answer you give, we will not judge you. And also I highly recommend don't judge other. This is actually an perspective, so we don't know you personally, right? We don't have any right to judge, and I'm also not going to judge you. This is just an trying to help you to speak up or in English for a long session, so your confidence build up. And first off, just don't just want to talk. Try to listen carefully, and encourage other to speak up. And session rule is first of and one rule that is mandatory: you have to speak in English. One person speak at a time. When I ask someone to unmute, just unmute himself and just talk. Okay. And respect everyone's opinion. You don't have to judge anyone. And if you don't want to answer anything, just say no, or just say I don't want to talk about it, and we will just pass. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. And relax and enjoy the conversation. And also there is some note that I am not an English teacher. I am just a student like you also, and just I'm a video, so you don't have to be nervous or anything. And our main goal is confidence first, grammar later. Okay, I think everyone is clear. You can speak up now. Anyone can unmute and talk. Don't worry.
Yes, we are understanding it clearly, and thank you for arrange, or what can I say, a nice classroom, right? Or we can say like classroom. It's a speaking classroom. Thank you for uh, making this session. It's really help us to improve our communication, speak English, and it also help us for a job or career.
Okay. Thank you, Jubair, for sharing. Shakwat, you want to add up something?
Yes, first I want to introduce myself.
Yeah. Yeah, go
May
on, go
I?
on. Go on. Of course, go on. Floor is yours. So whatever you say, just say it. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm Shakal Hussain, currently studying LLB honors, third year, second semester at Department of Law, Government University, Dhaka. I'm also looking forward to sharing my thoughts on my career path, my career goal, my passion, uh, and all of this. And I also thought about creating some platform for speaker and for speaking English. And I also want to post it on uh, social media like Instagram or Facebook that we want to create a group where we can
Hmm.
speak in English and discuss the other sessions and like that. So it's a great opportunity for me, I think, and sharing my thoughts and learning English. Thank you.
Thank you for speaking up. First of all, let me clear it. This is not a class or it is a group. Every day I will try my best to arrange a meeting for 1 hour, and anyone can join and discuss whatever you like. So this is an actually a free. You can think of like a free time, right? You are discussing with someone randomly you don't know and just talking about rubbish things, whatever you like. Okay, so it is a relaxed session. You can join anytime and you can leave also. You can join again also for 1 hour. So that's it. Don't worry. So let me start with the Shakawat. What to say? He joined the first, right? So Shakawat, you are a law student, right?
Yes, I am.
Which year are you right now?
I'm currently in third year, second semester.
Science second system. Can you share us which university are you in?
I'm at Jagannath University.
Oh, okay, Jagannath University. That's famous. Okay, so how's your life going, and how about your law education life? Are you planning to go abroad, or what? What is your career goal right now?
Yes, I'm also focusing on my studying abroad.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, for for me, law is my passion because uh, after the admission test, there is many career paths that you can choose, but I chose law because because I want to explore myself and I always attracted to this profession. Why I don't know. I cannot explain vastly, but I love this.
But you said that you love it, right? But before joining this profession or education, so you had an already passion or you had already goal that I will study in this law department, or you just that you gave the admission test and this department came into you. What was the situation?
After the ACC, I'm looking for some some subjects that I can choose and loading all the things. And after when I come about and know about this course or this department that I can flourish myself or can go abroad and
Hmm.
develop my career path on this. So
Hmm.
that's why I chose law.
But there's a bunch of department out there, and you can do engineering and other stuff, and you can go abroad through those department also. Then why law? This is not the only department that you can go abroad through it, right? So, or it is just came that you got that department or got that subject and now you are studying it in it. What is the true? What is the truth actually?
Mm, No, that was intentional because after completing my SSC,
Mhm.
I'm not I'm not focusing on engineering or medical. I'm
Mhm.
pretty sure that I won't go for engineering or something like that. Or BBA was not my interest
Mhm.
in field, so I chose arts. and I want to pursue my uh, further study in law
Okay, okay.
from the very beginning of the college.
That's actually a good choice because my one of my school friend, he is a Rabbi, and he studied in law in a private university, and he just got in by Australia. He just went to Australia. I think 5 6 months ago, and he studied his so he finished his study everything, and after within 2 months he has gone to Australia, and right now I think I talked with him, and his plan is to settle in there. It is actually whatever situation right now in going in engineering. I'm from engineering background, so I think some other department, law, pharmacy, this department are actually in good position. Chemistry is a good position. So I think you choose a good department, and I think you will shine. It was a good choice. Okay, Shakavat, let me go with
That's
for
amazing.
yeah.
Also,
Yes, go on.
that's amazing. Your friend, I also, our sir, who was the chairman of our department, also completed his PhD on human rights
Mhm.
in Australia. He also got the offer to stay in Australia, but he decided to come back at home.
Yeah. You should plan for the abroad if you have any. You said you have a plan, so if you have plan, then I said prepare for it in early in the fourth. Whenever you jump into the fourth year, start preparing for the abroad. Okay, because I also applied for Germany in Origo, and I got the call, but and my me and my friend, two of us applied, because if you have any understanding, the Germany has a long waiting period for 2.5 years. So we in our
Yes,
last time, or in our of third year, we applied there, and we got called 6th or in the January, I think the January of this year, and I cannot go abroad right now because my family doesn't want to, and my father is sick actually. That's why I didn't. But my friend applied, and he got the chance, and I think he will fly for Germany within 4 months or 3 months. So, but you prepare for that, and I think you will be good. Going abroad is not that actually difficult if you try properly, and it is easy. Lakhs of peoples are going every year, and you can do that too. Don't worry, you actually have a good background, so I hope you will make it. Okay, Shakawat, I will give the floor to Jubair. We have talked to Beatrice, and Jubair will feel separated, and he will feel it. Hey, Jubair,
Yes, I am listening yours, you and
conversation.
Mr.
Yeah.
Shakhawat talking,
Mhm.
and
So
I'm really
Shakwat is a law student. So what are you? I think I forgot. I saw in the I saw in the form link, you said you are from. So introduce yourself. It will be better if you introduce yourself. Give us an hint about your interest or anything interesting in your life that we can talk about. Go on. Floor is yours.
sure. I'm Zubair, and I'm from Pabna. I studied at United International University in Computer Science and Engineering, and I graduated in last 2024, or sorry, 2023. Or then I worked in a company as a software engineer 1 years.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, After work, I did not satisfied there. That's why I left that job, and am improving myself, and problems solving problem, then and sharpening my knowledge with new technologies. And currently, I'm actively looking new jobs. That's it.
Actually, that is the same situation from for me also. I worked for in a Spartak agency for 1.5 year, and then I thought actually I applied to a few companies, and I got a
Sorry, could you?
Yeah,
Could you repeat the company name?
company.
Yeah,
Okay, so sorry, can you say
and
that again?
know your previous company name, Spark Tech.
Yeah, it was Spartak Agency.
Uh,
It was under the B2PA
oh,
group.
it was the BD calling.
Hi, yes, B2 Link is a separate company. It's under the B2PA group. Not so good company. I am saying it
Yeah, yeah,
public.
yes. Oh, okay. I can share a small experience. I
Yeah, of
also
course.
I also interviewed in B2P group
Yeah.
like joint venture.
Okay. So
Not joint venture, J venture or joint
JB,
venture AI, this
yeah,
type of company.
JBI,
I also
JBI,
JBI, yes,
JBI.
JBI. Yeah, yeah, JBI, and I also get offer from them, but their company and the environment was so bad. I did not like that. That's why
That's
I
true.
did not join.
It was a good decision. It was a good decision. I think this is a public interest, and this whole session is recording. So, but I will say it publicly. Uh, Working in a Spartak AI is a good opportunity for. I am from not from a CSE background. Actually, I am from an energy science and engineering. Studied there, and I learned programming all through by myself. I didn't I didn't enroll in any course or anything. So I was a Django developer, Python backend developer there. So whenever I got this opportunity, I just joined into Spartak AI. But after working there, I think they are the scammer group of Bangladeshi, and actually they are spoiling the name of software engineering field for Bangladesh. And most of the people they are operating in the freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upworks, but I think they are spoiling the reputation of Bangladesh, and many people saw.
Yes, I also heard or read some blogs. Some people called them the garments. Uh,
True, true. Karus company.
Garments like
Yeah,
this
yeah.
garments garments company. Yes,
Yes.
and I also I, I also read something from Deshimola. That was a great. Uh, 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 that was a great website for reviewing the company, and I read something. Oh,
Yeah.
that was a great.
It's actually true. I think Shakwat will not understand what we are talking about because we are all we both are developers. Shakwat, do you have any idea about Deshimula?
No, I don't have any idea about this.
Hey, Jubair, you want to share some sense and knowledge about Deshimula to Shakawat? What it is and what actually it.
Oh,
Only yes.
sure. Oh,
Let,
at first,
let me share the screen.
we should to know.
Let me go to the
We should
Deshimula.
listen from the. Do you know about? Can I ask a question to Shakhat?
Anything you can
Yes,
ask.
you
Anything you
can.
can ask.
Do
Can
you know
just.
about glass door? Do you know about glass door?
No, I don't. I don't have any
Okay,
idea.
okay, okay. Please share the Deshimola. That was really uh, impressive website. But nowadays, many people are talking about that in Bangladesh, every company have a bad side or negative review.
Okay.
So many people are talking about this.
Okay. I will not talk because my English is. I can explain it. Jubair, your work is to explain what is Deshimula. I will go through the whole website, and as he doesn't know about any glass door, so you will explain what is the glass door, and also as a lawyer himself, if this kind of glass door or anything, this kind of website will help you or not. Okay, I will just hover into the whole website and now explain what is Deshimula or glass door, and I will share some stories. Okay.
Okay. At first, we should to know about Glassdoor. Glassdoor is a well-known website uh, for reviewing employee or any ex-employee or current employee, they give their company review in that website, and also give them star rating, and also sharing about the whole company inside, what is the benefit, what is the salary, is there any problem or advantage disadvantages like this. Some people in our country who make this Deshimola like the glass door. Deshimola is for only our Bangladeshi company. It's not the international. It's only for Bangladeshi company.
Bangladeshi tech company, especially
Yeah,
tech
in our
company.
Bangladeshi developer also.
That's
Yes, Bangladeshi
interesting.
tech
That's
company.
interesting,
Yes,
I
yes,
think.
yes. Bangladeshi tech company only. And our Bangladeshi developers give their or share their story or any feedback or any positive, negative, anything. Share this with this website. That's it. And it's
That's so
really helpful
interesting.
from freshers. I think it's or freshers or any developers who will change their workplace before join the company. They get a good knowledge about the company, what is their environment, or about the uh, any politics or not, like this. Yeah,
I,
Shimanto.
I think it's more like approach party employee reviewing thing.
No, actually,
That BGP against.
now, actually, Cockroach Party is a political movement. Okay, so it's a different thing. But let me explain it fully. So Glassdoor e- actually explore the tech field, and people or the employee like us who work in the tech companies, they give an review of the company, what is going on, but it is totally anonymous. That's mean no one will know your identity, and no one will know who give this review. Like I can give, we are talking about the B2P group, right? I was from B2P group, and Juba are also talking about the garments company, the B2P group, right? So you can search in there, you can search in there, but softbands is also from a B2B group, and you can see 9 মাসের অভিজ্ঞতা, এখানে খুব হায়ারিং ঢোল পিটাইছে কিন্তু কোম্পানিতে নাই কোনো প্রজেক্ট, তো আসেন আলাদা কিছু শোনা এরকম। This kind of review, it can be good review, bad review, everything you can give is totally anonymous. And everyone who is looking for a job, like let's say you are looking for a job and you get call from a company, and then you will go through this website and go through the review, what is the situation in the company, because didn't work in the company and you don't know what is the culture, or it is any problem going through that company, right? So the employee who have already worked there or working there, they give an anonymous review in this website, and it is totally unfiltered. Even people are giving abusive word or anything, so you can see everything to know about that. Like if I B2B, this is the B2B group I was talking about. Okay, so you can go through this website, and if you go through this website you will understand what is the situation in tech companies, and why I think the tech field is very much in the danger right now. Okay, I will stop the sharing.
I get it.
Okay.
So, uh, is there any reason behind to name it Deshi Mula?
I don't know. It's actually, I think the Mula is giving on your ass, this kind of thought, but I don't know actually. But this was actually a fun project. This was actually a fun project from developers from Bangladesh, and I think Jubair, it was released 1 year ago, right?
Yeah, almost. Yeah, I think more than 1 year,
More than one or
because
two years. Yes.
some in that time the Deshimola was hidden, or someone report or this
Yeah.
like uh,
Happen.
happened
Yeah.
with Deshimola.
Yeah, the problem was
It
that
was invisible.
yeah, so companies that were getting bad review, they put in I think they block it, or this kind of something happened, and they had to start down for a few time, then again they started. and but it was a huge viral on LinkedIn. If when the Deshimula released, I used to go to LinkedIn and everyone was talking about the Deshimula. Okay, so it's actually a good website. Yes, some are getting some are misusing it, some are using abusive words throughout the companies. Every time companies are not the only reason. Every there may be sometimes the employee has also the problem. We admit it, but it actually show us the whole scenario of what tech companies right now going through, and what is the companies are actually doing to their employees. And scammer companies like B2PA group and other companies, they are getting busted in this kind of Deshimula website. I think there should be an website for lawyer also. What do you think? For this kind of thing, but I think lawyers don't
Yes,
work. I thought are
because
Yeah, are lawyers work for a company or lawyers do their individual job?
no, they also work for a company. Like corporate job, they also have like their thing office. Anyone can also join there and work as associates. You can. I would suggest a series called Suits, which would inspire me to be a lawyer. To be honest, uh, a very famous character which name is Harvey Specter and Mike Ross.
It was a suit, I think, right? The series was suit. Suit
Suits.
series, yeah. I saw this series. This is a great. I think I enjoyed through the fifth season. I enjoyed it, but it was
Yes,
boring.
everyone enjoyed from fifth season. Afterward, it was being boring.
Yeah, it was. Jubair, did you watch Suit?
No, no, I did not. I didn't watch this series. Actually, I don't watch movie or series so much. It's
So,
rarely.
so what do you do in your free time? Give out to the programming, beside the programming. Okay, I know you do programming a lot and doing side project, but what extra you do for free time? Do you have any hobby or anything?
In free time, most of the time I go to outside or see some sports or this. Like most of the time I'm busy with sports or highlights. This uh, the if you believe or not, when I after uh, completed the bachelor, the problem is I cannot get time to watch something, or go another. I cannot manage time for another work. I
Mm-hmm.
see YouTube, see the read new technology, what is coming, and read blogs or LinkedIn blogs like this. Yeah, always all time I try to see the tech videos or shorts like this. In my there is two type my YouTube channel or account. That one one account have only the our tech or dev type videos. They
Okay.
always show me the dev or developer or software engineering related videos.
Hmm.
And another one is for like a news or sports like this. Most of the time I see the videos YouTube.
Yeah, I can understand.
Even
Yeah, go on, go on.
even if I I don't browse too many Facebook, and if anyone knocked me in Facebook,
Mhm.
he did not reach me.
Okay. So I can understand the burden as I am also from the software engineering field, but let me as just Shafayat is gone now, so we are two right now. So I can deep down into your thought, and let me let's say honest, Jubair. Let's be honest. Actually, do you feel the software industry or the software career path is exhausting people like us, because it is becoming more exhausting as the AI boom, and there is an always in thought what will happen in next 2 years, and people
Mhm.
are continuously have to learn the new things, and whatever we learn it gets busted, and we have to learn new things. What is the
Yeah,
situation?
it's totally feel exhausted. Sometimes I think I will leave that this career, this career. but I cannot leave this because it's my dream. From my childhood, I want to be a software engineer. That's why I cannot leave this. And now AI, nowadays AI is booming or trending, and no company uh, recruiting or actively recruiting. There's so many uh, we are applying jobs day by day, but no response from there. Or most of the time nowadays, I see the senior, mid-level, senior like this role are open,
Mhm.
but from our entry-level jobs are invisible or vanished like this. Now it's really hard to compete or survive in this state or career in this career.
Yeah, right. I can feel it, bro. In my university, as I said, that I am not from a CSC background, but I learned programming all through by myself. And let 3 years ago, when I program or built an website all through my typing the whole code and everything, it was exhausting. It was time consuming. But I also enjoyed the outcome, right? We also we can both relate, right? When the website is working, when it the excitement, when the website is broken or something crashed down, we have some thought, and night after night we just struggle, but then suddenly it works and the dopamine hit the brain, and it was really helpful, really enjoyable. But
Yes, you
yeah.
are right. When you work so hardly and after the hour or hours, if you see it's work or if you get a visible success, you will be really happy.
Mhm.
Uh, Previous company I worked there, I debugging a Java or Android, purely Android app. I was debugging there. That was written in Java. Only I knowledge about the OOP from my university. I
Mhm.
have not enough knowledge or deep knowledge in Java. I go there, and after I reading or working there, I learned Java. And when I solved any bug or any error, then really pleased me or delighted me.
Mhm.
And I work hour by hour and finding the debug. Why or is the problem? Why not it works? When it works or solve this, we are really happy or we pleased that it works.
But right now, AI helps a lot, but the dopamine doesn't hit. Yeah, am I correct? You can you can solve the error in just one click, but it
Yes, sometimes AI makes me bored because he generated lots of code.
it's also
It's real.
it has made the work easy, but actually I don't feel the excitement that I felt 2 or 3 years ago. Okay, it's actually very depressing. Like it is actually working fast or everything works, but this kind of speed, always keep up the speed, always working on new project, always while and learning new stuff and stuff, not getting so opportunities, and everyone is talking about layoff. Then other groups, no, software engineering field will stay, of course, the stay, but the exhaustment is actually, I don't think it's a overhyped, and I think it is actually exhausting, and it actually make me sad the what has gotten into the software field, because I studied this, I learned all this, and I invested all the time there in better. But now, right now, I am seeing that uh, there is not so good salary or anything opportunities for the newcomers, and they have to learn these and these too much stuff, and it's actually exhausting to think about.
Yeah, that's true. And the very what should I say? Mm, and when I work there, or at first after my bachelor or complete my bachelor, I joined in for internship
Mm-hmm.
in one company. There's a I face problem. It maybe help um, any juniors, or I see many companies show their fake culture, show that our company is always good, or
Yeah, true.
our company have this facility, this facilities. It's ruined my you can I can it's ruined my career also.
Mm-hmm.
I think they are all the best. I need to go that company. That's true. I need to go that company, but that doesn't mean the no another companies is not good, or like startup. Have not a lot of experienced developer, or purely organized, right?
Yeah, right, right.
Yeah, they need to learn trial and error. Do it, or face problem, learn, and then do it again.
Yeah, and also the salary in those companies, in the beginning they offer the max 30 to 35,000 taka. This actually, I don't think in this time this kind of money actually enough for anyone to survive, because right now we are the bachelor, I understand, but whatever, if I want to support my family, or if I'm married, this kind of stuff, there are few companies they are actually have the good salary. Few companies they offer, but the problem is you have to crack those, and also there is not no junior roles of hiring in those companies. They are already hiring senior roles. So what else juniors do, right? They have to learn
Yes.
they have to start from some places, and if I just start from those low level companies or not so good reputed companies, I will not learn, because there is no senior engineer. Like I work for Spartak AI, there is no senior engineer. They will not support anything. They just push whatever code they push, and they don't, even the senior, the leaders, they don't have any experience of the programming. They haven't published in one app. Even my leader, he doesn't have any experience in programming. He is just an AI developer. He just used AI code to generate code. He doesn't know anything about deployment, how to manage the code, and it was a disaster. But it's actually hinders the reputation. If I work there for 1 hour 1 year, it doesn't add any value to my resume. So if when I apply to big and more good companies, I also get stuck. Like they think this person have already worked for 1 year experience, and their expectation is I know everything, or they have a experience, they have a expectation that I know this is stuff, but I didn't learn those in by these low level companies. So the whole scenario is actually a disaster. It has become a disaster, or spaghetti, whatever it has become. So it's actually sad what is happening, and this kind of scenario, uh, companies like B2P and other low level company, they are exploring out, they are trying to exist it, and people, they are hiring juniors or people like us from private companies, or polytechnic students, when the minimum low salary as like 15,000 taka, 12,000 taka, 20,000 taka, and people just willingly starting their job, and the whole scenario has become a really messed up. Okay, Jubair, I in the forum you also wanted to show the your LinkedIn or GitHub to show up. So you want to share those?
Uh, uh, sh- uh,
Let me.
will I share the link?
Yeah. No, I have already LinkedIn open. Okay. So
Okay.
okay.
You just search the Joy Rahman. You
Juba,
will see
J O
Bayer
B Y E R Jubair
Rasman.
MAN. I think the first one, right?
Mm, I did not see the screen. Just
Okay. I
scratch.
this one.
This,
Yeah.
this
Even.
one.
Yeah. This one.
Okay.
So yeah.
Can I ask you another question?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Go on.
what
Go
is
on.
your the next? Will you uh, you told you are currently in career break.
Yeah.
I want to know that will you continue in developer role or the software engineering career, or will go to another?
Another fi-
uh,
Actually, right now I am trying to do a business. My father has already I have already family business, and this family business is good. And I have some one or two exam left in my Kuwait, so I have to finish those to get my understand. And my family wants don't want to move into Dhaka. I moved to Mymensingh. My hometown is Mymensingh, and I was trying if I could find any job here, but there is no job left. So I if I have to do a software engineering job, then I have to move to Dhaka. That I don't want. I am actually confused right now. Okay, I don't. I want a sustainable job, right? You can understand. You can understand my perspective. If I
yes, yes,
yeah, I learned in my job. I joined as a backend developer, but I know DevOps. I I teach two people DevOps in my team, and they are right now working there. I know machine learning and data science. My thesis was on machine learning, and I and the front end and back end. And front end was a React, and in the back end I was on Django. So the whole scenario, I had the whole scenario and the whole portfolio ready. But even now I have to do. When I apply to good companies, they are asking, of course, DSA algorithms, and they are problem solving everything. I know that's the right fine. That's fine. There's a basic things. I know you are a CSC student, so it is a basic, it is a fundamental thing from you. But I'm not from CSC background. Okay, I can learn them. Of course, I can learn them, but it to do a problem solving and anything, that's required a minimum of time, right? I will need
yes,
6 months or anything like that. And even though I learn them, then I will be considered as a junior level developer. Even though I know front end, back end, DevOps, machine learning, then even then I'm working I will be considered as a junior level. And junior level, how the salary will be how much? 13 or 14,000 max. I cannot continue like I cannot. This is not a stable path. And even though people are their demand is getting much bigger, and they are demanding more and more skill and whatever like things like that. And
yeah.
for a CSC background student, there's a fine thing, the learning the algorithm and everything. But for from a different background student is actually it's not time, right? You can understand, you are also on a career breakout, you are also looking for opportunities. You can understand what is the things going on in the field, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah. Some I see the job or job post, or some companies just some companies requirement is a whole company. It needs everything:
yeah.
React, Next.js, or Angular, Node, Python, and PHP. Oh my goodness!
Hmm. Their demand, there is not anything, nothing will fulfill their demand. Okay, nothing will fulfill their demand. Even if they could hire NASA engineers, they would ask in 20,000 taka, they will be very happy to
Yeah, yeah,
hire them. Nothing will fulfill their desire. And this is actually a disaster. Even I sometimes I think people, the senior engineers who are in the YouTube and in the Facebook, they are sharing thoughts. They are asking, they are saying that in the future the jobs will ask CSC developers that this kind of question that are not anywhere. But my ask is, when they started their career 30 years ago, 20 years ago, did they know everything? Of course not. They just maybe they just did problem solving and everything, and they just in one framework and everything, and they could started their career. And through this 20 years, 30 years of journey, they have learned all the things. Now they are in the they are senior is position in the industry, and they are in the AI era. Now they are they are saying that so juniors or students, like, they have to learn AI, they have to learn front end, they have to back end, DevOps, everything from the start. They have to start career from the mid level, because junior levels are already filtered with AI. AI is already covering the junior level role. But did they go through this kind of phase? They are just making gossip and everything, and they doesn't feel what we are going through. If they are put into our position and they have to start their career as a junior level engineer right now, this AI area, I would say I would see what their situation would be. But there's the everything what's going on.
Yeah, I want to ask you another question.
Yeah.
Your speaking English speaking is pretty much good, or it is fair, or it is really good.
Thank
But
you, thank you.
when it comes to your mind that you need to, or you need to arrange a session for others people.
Mhm.
So
So the question was that why I arranged this kind of stream, or why this kind of thought came into my mind.
yes, how this thought came in your mind?
Okay, the first of all, I wanted to make YouTube videos and other things in my part time, but I was not getting a time, or there is an issue coming out there. I couldn't push myself to start the video recording and everything. But then I thought that what is my strength, or what is my strength, and some things came to my mind that my English is always was good from my starting of my school, college, and university. For my English was always my advantage, and in my last job, I handle all my clients. I work with 7+ countries of people, in nationalities, and so I thought that my English speaking is good. I am not good in writing or anything. If you just ask me grammar rules, I will be probably not will be able to answer it. But then I thought, why not I just gossip with everyone and just record it, and let us know what is the thought of everyone going on. So that's how I started. My expectation was no one will show up, but thankfully you and other people were. But Shakwat just left. But thank you again for joining. And also I think I have left 14 minutes or 13 minutes left for the whole meeting. So let me uh, give you a shout out. This is so everyone that are watching this video and will be watching this video. This is Jubair Rahman from United International University. He's a backend focused full stack developer. So if anyone can go through his website, and let me send you a connection request. Okay, please accept it. My request will be please accept it.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so this is his profile. And is there any CB link? Is there any CB link
No,
in
I
your
did
profile?
not. I uploaded a CV resume, but it not
It will
featured.
show. Okay. I think I can go to your GitHub. I think my suggestion would be that you post a PDF format, your CV in PDF format, and you can pin it here, so that everyone
Yes,
can
yes.
find it. Okay, so it will be easy for other people to see your resume. So this is his GitHub. Anyone wanted to reach out, this is a good GitHub. So anyone wanted to plus out, just go out this things. I think this is an enough information. So this is my profile, Shemanto, and if you can go through, you can put up. So okay, you are also looking for a job, right? So I also have an WhatsApp channel. You can go through
Yeah,
this.
I already joined that.
Oh.
I see your message
Yeah.
from that channel.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I didn't expect it. I thought you came from the Reddit. Okay. Thank you. If anything, this is actually a free channel. So if you can check it, if any opportunities came along. What is the whole whole experience right now, because I don't know, because the message, this is a channel, I don't see other people's messages. I wanted that. So what is the
Yeah,
expectation?
and
Is it good?
yes, yes, channel is good because no others people or unnecessary message don't send in there. Just mm, important or necessary things are sent or showing this. Channel is good, better than groups, I think.
Yeah.
Group is just a gossip.
Yeah.
If you want to uh, gossip others, uh, group is good. But if you want to distraction from another, it's just like a job post or just important things.
Yeah.
Channel is good.
Yeah. uh, I think that's actually I wanted earlier, because I don't actually I don't want like the messaging. You also said that you don't use Facebook and everything, right? I also try to avoid those, and I actually don't like
No,
this
no, no.
kind of
I
things.
used Facebook, but not so much.
Okay. Hey, yeah, I have also same. I think that in this stage, I think this is actually a thing. I in my colleagues also, in my company, last company, they also avoided most of the Facebook. And my sister, he is also not using Facebook that much. But my father and mother, they are using their Facebook a lot. They are passing time. So I think the Gen Z is avoiding Facebook. What do you think, Joel? Actually, do you think actually Facebook or any gossip actually brings any good in your life? Or
Facebook is. I think Facebook is boring. If you lazy people are want to just see the reels or shorts,
yeah,
you will. Facebook is helpful for his or her. But if you want to get important information or like for hours for tech developers, LinkedIn is better,
yeah,
so much better.
yeah. Definitely. If
And
someone,
most boring things in Facebook is ads. That's why I did not use Facebook app. I
yeah,
just use the Chrome browser.
yeah. Did you notice that most of the post or most of the videos in the Facebook right now, they are some of ad, they are posting of some of company promotion of any company or promotion of any product. I don't see my friends, the actual friends, they are posting a lot in few days. And I think with the last 2 years, they have shaped the whole Facebook, and Facebook is now a ad platform. I somehow everyone making video, this is some kind of promotional video of their product or a business, some kind of they are selling their courses. There is an uh, beneath the intention is selling to you, nothing else. And my friends are, they are not posting their life anymore in the Facebook.
Facebook is now hawkers market right now.
Yeah. Facebook, there's a cool intention. There's a market. There's a good marketing. Okay, okay. I think I have left 8 minutes. So if you want to add something or tell anything you want to add, you can say it. Uh,
Okay, I want add something small. Why I joined this program or this session? Yeah,
yeah,
because I always try to improve my English speaking or communication with others clearly or clearly. I know how to use AI. Nowadays, AI, ChatGPT, Word, Gemini, everything is a really good for speaking with AI. But the real problem is they don't know our they don't understand to our talk or mindset or context,
yeah,
because every we cannot express everything in AI. We just give context something or what topics should I uh, talk or speak with AI.
mhm,
I give the context, this context, but I cannot give the whole things. When I talk with you, you can follow up my question, or I can ask you another question. It's there is a lots of diversity when talk with human, but when talk with AI, it's really boring.
yeah.
I so much I lost. I tried lots of uh, give a good context or prompt talk with AI, but it's really boring.
So did you enjoy the whole
And
session?
my another expectation or is improve English, and I will apply the international job for remote, because without English
Mhm.
you cannot good get job. I see a video from do you know Habibur Rahman Bashar?
Mhm. Yeah, I know him.
Do you know him?
Yeah, I know him.
Yeah, I see his one video. He told uh, us, if you sell this product in Bangla only 50 taka. If you sell same product in English, you will send 5,000 or more than.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a
true.
huge difference.
Yeah, but
That
I don't think the we should any more focus on taka. We should focus on USD. There's a good chance. Yeah, gone. Yeah. So Jubair, thank you. I think I have 6 minutes or 5 minutes left. I want to wrap the things all up because our main goal was 1 hour. So what do you think? The session was good, or did you enjoy it?
yeah, this session is good, and 1 hour is enough. At first I uh, at first time I think 1 hour is too long,
Yeah.
but when I talking or gossiping with you or give we can adda
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
When we give gossiping with you or others, it's 1 hour is good, and it's 1:30 is it's midnight almost.
Yeah. Oh yes. Did you have your dinner?
Yeah, I did dinner after Isha prayer.
Oh, okay, okay. That's a good. That's a good. That's a good. Okay. Thank you for joining. Actually, I am really. But the question is, the main question is right now. Will you join another session in our next days? I will try to arrange this kind of video, this kind of session every day. I want to record it every day. So, do you want? Do you actually want to join this kind of this session? This speak better with Shimanto session later in any day future.
Actually, I actually did not understand your question.
Okay, I asked, will you join another session in our next days? Because I will try to arrange this kind of session every day. I will try my best. Will you join our next sessions? What do you think?
Yeah, I try to join every day. If you arrange every day, because I I am actually I am looking someone who I am looking someone or that I can talk with you or others
Okay.
like this. Because without I told you another things I did, and English course, speaking English course.
Mhm.
I forget that name. It's a popular English. Uh, the academy. I forget the academy name.
Mhm.
Okay, I take a English spoken course. The main problem is they give me shit, uh, but problem is I did not practice, or I have not enough environment
Mhm.
where I practice English. That's why I try. I will try join in every session.
Oh, okay. Okay, I have to wrap this up. Thank you, Jubair. Thank you for joining. And everyone watching this right now, I will try to arrange this video, this session 1 hour, 1 hour, speak better with Shimanto session every day, every night. If anyone doesn't join, I will just speak on. I'll be speaking on random stuff like my life and other things. What is going on, but I will try to my best. And anyone can join this kind of session, the whole session, and he can just join into our Facebook channel, YouTube, WhatsApp channel, and in this WhatsApp channel he will get the form link and he can just fill it out, and I will send the link invitation every day. So thank you Jubair for joining, and I hope this video the main goal was that not only I am talking or not we are learning the speaking English. The main goal is this: other people see that we are people like us also can speak English, and it's not that difficult if you can just start. You just have to have the confidence that you don't have any grammar problem, you don't have any vocabulary problem. The problem is the confidence. You doesn't have the confidence. So try to speak English as often as you can, and whenever you can just learn it through the session. So thank you for joining. I think the call will be ended in any time. Thank you, Jubair. I will be seeing you soon. Thank you, and hope to see you in our future session. Thank you, Jubair.
Yeah, and thank you, you, and you're so welcome for again for arranging this session. Thank you.
Goodbye. Goodbye.